Abuza comedian so Magraheb react. Magraheb. Omo ke come adwin trend. Efa jandam bi a wabeye. So far as a small scale Galamsey air concern, I say, what be blame Akufo the government say Akufo the NNPP government no, Oma issue more, small scale mining license as compared to that of NDC. Me was 7 so edge on the correct. The media and so Oma be clash with Magraheb. React now face with Janet Nabla. Also abe fire Mahama when it comes to the issue of Galamsey. Chile say yem blame Mahama for Galamsey. Enya chama won't to me asem. Aha Penyah broke media. Mess was any demo. Over like video no other about subscribe button, snap by clicking notification icon for latest updates. Abe chile wa join the mama e comment section. Mess also baswa. No I share for enya bi ash. Na me bon kai say uko Facebook ya create official Facebook page Penyah block media. Link no other comment section ya pin e wo ho no bo so Nabla Facebook be follow ya na build family no together. Let's go to the story. Over when it comes to Ghana Hadam na Galamsey ya de bia MPP no I tidy blame Akufo and the NPP government. I'll say the past 8 years, Anna Galamsey ever Ghana there's no a big Ghana had out of nowhere for the past 8 years. Anna Galamsey ever Ghana had more. Emma Ebimukra mentality be say when it comes to the issuance of small scale mining license. Akufo every Ghana yes he was issuing license left, right, center. Daimu na o issue be. Emma I remember yeah 2024 no yeah the Mahama 2025 no. January mu ana join is for a make post be anya omu chiremu the kind of license I just say issue since 1992 ebesine small scale mining license I issue no omu di video e buy. And I was asking myself, now and some way now, join is for update over the buy, omu source every hefa. Omu figures no every hen because where there. Obi abet matenasi. The Photoshop ashishe. Na omu source ewa hen. It me as a tracking. Me track ya menya any valid website biya. Omu epic data way every. Next in some way in one way or the other, the because not join is for omu jandam. Na on this update now, join is for no, and we say Magraheb TV ever fire. And then also be chire mu say join for now. Also be chire any okay can now join to the MPP government. And Akufo adofo no.
Drew baby as a drew. So let's look at the licenses because the license I am from 1988, which means time when President Jerry John Rawlings, I was 1988 up to 2008. That means President Jerry John Rawlings, President Akufo pencil. License or mu issue, yes, I'm for betting issue the aqua de gay and also small scale mining, whatever. License or mu issue here was Mahama 40. From 2009 to 2016, our President John Evans at Tamils Baye, our obedient one term, President Mahama Super Bedi 1 term. License or Muswami for the 8 years issue here was 59. So 59 no 40 no one. Now just say legally I'm why more license today for gold basically Ghana no ebusia no more 99. That is it. And then from 2017 and now the mobile bemu up to 2025 where buso mu free abemu like January 7 2025 o mu free abemu no. Now license your man give out within their 8 years 2,151. From 1988 up to 2016, abusia 28 years. License on we issue here through spanning from 4 presidents, abusia it was 99. Within 8 years, and the NPP, Nanadwa Mamum, license on we issue here was 2,151. And now from January 7th, 2025, our President Mahama signed by the second term, Up to now, I record the video. 22nd September. License on my issue. I am maku 0. Nothing. No license. So which means whatever fight they are fighting now, and as how they are trying to resolve the Galamsey issue, is basically from license bebrea. MPP for one than Addo. The man for no to go in the account.
It's Magraheb. That's really nice. I was like, okay, but me find this. And some Magraheb, as a blogger, oh yeah, any cross checking, it was okay. The job is for post cry, no cray, and I no cray. It's a cross check, and when is a city news for cry, a post to be as of 9th October 2024. Omu actress say, here's an interesting look at the numbers. The small scale mining license issued between 2012 and 2024. What I say? There's a uhemwa from 2012 to 2016. Small scale mining license a issue here. 1,402. 1,402. And afe from 2017 and from 2012 to 2016, 4 years per. That is Mahama Nkwani 4 years per. Obetina kunyasu from 2012 to 2016, 4 years per. No. O issue small scale mining of 1,402. And I talk about 2016 Olusi and MPP ebaye. It MPP baye no. MPP started kunya 2017. And from 2017 to 2024 no, they issue small scale mining license of 1,014. Obi 4 years. 4 years but o issue 1,402. I was okay, I'm cross checking here. They were from City News. Ebiana almost a year jandam. I'm a MP before. And I'm going to search small scale mining license issued in Ghana since ages from 2012. It's quite cross checking now. And I did Addo mama. Yes, I mean valid update. Every imaniafrica.org a organization. Our mono take survey any Africa hanmo. Don't be a drafting statement. Any other do be a team be. And this is what they stated. When it comes to small scale mine license issuance, Ghana from 2012 to 2024. Now, person me who that interval called between Mahama and Akufo. Mahama started in 2012. Akufo started 2017. From there, no to be realize to be an issue here. Say na omo ekanye. 2012 nkwano ye issue small scale mining of 332. 2013, ye issue small scale mining of 283. 2014, Mahama. 2014, we issue 105, Mahama. 2015, we issue 321, Mahama. 2016, we issue 361. What I say? 361. That's what Kabomwa from 2012 to 2016. That is 1,402. And I told you see Olusi and MPP by and the group of 2017. The whole of 2017, you issue small scale mining of license 7 per 7. 2018, nil were issue license Amobia. Akufo issue license Amobia. According to report, 2018, Akufo issue license Amobia from Onquire mining. 2019, NOB issue 103. 2020, NOB issue can say, or issue 621 more. Now, one day. 2021, NOB test or issue 11. 2022, or issue 148. 2023, 38. 2024, 93. Now, say, Oka and Usubomwa. Akufo issue small scale mining license of 1,014. Meanwhile, Magraheb jam down edema NDC. Now I don't know if you media this one. TikTok is for no. I be clash with Magraheb.
So this is the video. Magraheb NDC for na fa no ma caption no e the air cancer. Now in fact any dey ni ahobrase mu a bomodi aso be share sa video we. And now we ni Magraheb tag no e ma me papa. And there are some figures be wrong, and I just want to correct him. Say, your politicians no person ya, bro. I want you to come out with facts and figures. Don't just throw things in just like that. Some I'm up for do a nimbe form. So let me tell you. You said say Omampeni Mahama John ni year or no ever far from 2012 and also from a terminal person Eddie ever be see it just about 50 something lines is repaid our issue here. And you're inaccurate and you're factually wrong. And let me tell you, Omampeni Mahama John ever bet na guaso from 2012 Eddie Bessie 2016 Ghana for two about Pamon say on coffee. The patrol license and kwa Omampeni Mahama John etimi issue ye edima minus and Galamsey or whoever or whatever you want to call it no. Me patrol na 1402 tiye 1402 now the dan kwa Akufo Addo Premium from 2017 to 2024 and now if you like 2025 are all free abemono lines are now what issue 1014 and this is the figures. I want to show a slide with you and you can go through it now. If you want to say the etia pepe, please bro, politics na here about politics na here okay, seven as a one can say the etia now I yes I person what can a man crofobia a fast with the yebribia. Some of us will just come out and expose it. So please target no not target this for the money na mo kan trend say ade na wo mo say no enye no kre obi azu ntimi twantro entro bia o Ghana ha and now person will access information is too easy and it's so easy for you to access them unless a person when you're lazy. That's why I said we do intellectual analysis. So Magraheb, you got it wrong. Please just come again. Thank you.
Now also Galamsey dem say ya no na say achichi chama wuntuma tumu on many occasions yes ye bo na chi yoku any ade ye di chama wuntumi adwen e ma na say achi ntum am ye grant ne bay be condition worship bay condition 25 million Ghana cedis ejis kekuma 250 billion old cedis and ye chama wuntumi say they grant ne bay e man ekofie. Now that Galamsey dem say honing that the rest of chama wuntumi eno ana Janet Nabla etim say massa see it will be power blame for Galamsey and yet chama wuntumi na eye John Mahama himself.
Now, want to me, what's he want to me here, Bibia? I'm not doubting that maybe he has done something or he has not done something. That's not my bone of contention. My bone of contention is say, how dare you, with dirty hands, unclean hands, you kingpin of Galamsey, to arrest your colleague Galamsey, say who didn't punish it, whilst you are still there in the pit today, this hour. Wuna wo pit ni so a wo ye Galamsey na we see wo di obi kokko this in punishing hwe ye nye serious awo Ghana ha na onyankopon on pese onu na serious people in adwuma na wo see wo onyankopon huhun kronkron wo so na obi ya ade a emfata wo be bie wenum aka because one day onyankopon ye nyina wo be bisa ye asem baako de ye ba wiase ha ye contribution towards humanity ye ba ye say ye be follow nipa na ye ba ye say yankasa we can be able to come up with something na Ghana ebe boa Ghana ama Ghana akwenenim hwe crime is well fought when you punish your own people. That is when crime is well fought. It's not when you punish opponents. The Attorney General is a disgrace to this country. And you know, President Mahama, Attorney General.
Oh, Jane.
Mamino won't cast him. Mamino won't cast him.
We are justified.
When a vote my Attorney General.
Based on the Komoya Udi.
Mamin cast him. I'm justifying it that it is the president who is behind everything in Galamsey. Let's not lie about it. You know it. Solomon knows it. Ghanaians are well of it.
Did you for Galamsey?
You do not do.
Hey, what did she say here?
Who named that for a fact?
Name that for a fact, saying, "Sir, you are your president. You are the one in controlling the whole Ghana." And now, Obimu destroy Landa. What Babe catch me say? We are getting a lot of gold from those who are destroying the land, and because of that, we are getting money. As a result, President Kadien, what's gold destruction?
The president applauded the gold board in Jumamoye.
And see gold on here no free
and was soon him say gold
there be on casa or see because of the Galamsey this gold the amount of gold we get have increased. President said that I will not put those words. Say me or say me boy, one family court na me go produce evidence no. The video no so.
The president did not mention Galamsey.
No, or say or mention Galamsey. Or see Galamsey nti there we have gold this in the amount of gold we get have increased. The president share debia wuka say am in family no nto so. Enti dia me can say I want no kremo. President Mahama is the one in charge of Galamsey in this country. Onu ne tena so onim mfaso a onye free Galamsey so President Mahama ka kire me Janet say no no na in charge of Galamsey. Let him put up a state of emergency. Him say on the third day the Bible says that God created the land, created the rivers whom he regarded as seas and planted trees and everything. When you mean ye onyankopon na ye na wo President Mahama wo na wo ye in charge of the lands onyankopon create ye water bodies are all create ye and now you are superseding over the destruction of God creation. Now when be punish you onyankopon. So even though we are talking, but the punishment from God that is coming to people who are helping Galamseyers to who the president is the leader of all these things, they will soon see. You cannot put your hand in the eyes of God and go away with it. And the God we serve. Because on no land no any dear, water bodies no any dear. When in charge, President Mahama, who can about Nanado, he is no more in power. We sack him. He could not solve Galamsey. We exact him. So there's no need for you to talk about him anymore. Then we went and brought a political party led by liars. People who try to do us 419. They came. We are going to put this in state of emergency. State of. And I vote ma sani pakromo. And a President Mahama onu ne leader of this group. President Mahama sisia uka Galamsey obe tieni say on kasa obe who kasa about putting in state of emergency no about the amount of gold Ghana is getting. President Mahama who say Galamsey won fast work set gold board. Majority of the gold from gold board is gotten from Galamsey operators. We should close the gold board. That's the first thing the president can do. For the president to let us know, say Obetima fighting Galamsey, he should put a closer to the gold board. That's number one. Number two, almost shutting it up completely. Now making sure say we'll put in state of emergency to make sure that Sir Galamsey action you be in Africa. One to me, who address one to me, it is much I do about nothing. These people like they are reading a script. Yes, and diverting attention. Galamsey. That's what they are doing. They are just putting pressure on one to me to deceive the general public. But they have forgotten that there were 5 senses. Some of us, our 5 senses are alert and they are working. You can deceive some of the people some of the time, but you cannot deceive all the people all the time. One to me is not the problem. The NDC is the problem of Galamsey. Since the beginning of Genesis, they created the word Galamsey, NDC, and they have come to destroy us now finally. Listen, one to me is not the problem of Galamsey. President Mahama is the problem of Galamsey as we sit here. Arresting one to me, sending one to me to court will not even do anything. One to me is no more operating. His party is not in power. President Mahama is the one who is in power, and all the NDC women organizers, youth organizers, foot soldiers, ministers, MPs, the Jubilee House, they are in the in the Galamsey piece, trying to get Galamsey for gold board, and you are here trying to punish an innocent person. Do you fear God? Muwa NDC, musuro nyankopon. Musuro nyankopon na because musuro nyankopon want to me mube arrest President Mahama and lock him up forever. Let's not send President Mahama to court. He doesn't deserve us sending him through the legal system. The crimes this man has caused, when we talk about Galamsey, he deserves to go to jail without being given the opportunity to defend himself.
Jane, let's also put this on record that President Mahama is not doing Galamsey. That is one.
So the gold board, where are they buying their Galamsey, their gold from?
And gold board, you know, Tom gold if it's small scale mining, not Galamsey.
We don't have small scale miners in Ghana. They are all Galamseyers. This is a small scale miners that we call Galamseyers in Ghana. I have told you, President Mahama Baye and then small scale miners. Mamima Ghana frontier say anytime President Mahama says small scale miners is a lie. We have no small scale miners in Ghana.
Ubeto Anchera Wajin, Amame, Ewa comment section. How you pin a block media, Accra.